Good afternoon and welcome to Cortijo Carcamo, and this is a different property in quite a few aspects. Okay, so if you just listen to what I said on the walk through, you'll be able to see the points that I need to make out. First point being, obviously, if you're looking for tranquility and a peaceful location with zero noise, this is the one. Now obviously with that you do have a track access. Okay, it's a stone rock track. You can see the actual property is built on rock as well, but we'll get back to that. But yeah, basically it's an access that's maintained by the town hall of Canillas and Alcocin, but it's rock. Okay, so when we do get wet weather, you know, it's very semi-permeable and it is very good. Okay, so it's going to be durable. Okay, there are one or two neighbours higher up, but this is essentially an eco property. Okay, so what we have here is a diesel generator. Okay, and essentially we've got this as a backup as well as a solar system. Okay, there is electric nearby, and you can see there that's all the pre-installation for electric to go in, but here we've got the panels, and underneath there is a casita. Okay, you got access. There's an old ruin here, okay, which is part of the ruin, so you got all the inverter and what have you underneath. Okay, but your views are spectacular. Okay, this is just one aspect, westerly facing. You have distant lake views, you have mountain views, Camares, Zafraya, Mount Maroma behind here. It's essentially 360 views. Okay, so it's a one level property. Okay, and it's been built by Euromac Construction, which means as far as insulation, there was a polyester bricks which were filled with reinforced concrete, and then as well concrete pillars have been added to the structure, making it completely earthquake proof and very solid. So there we got essentially like the front porch and front door. Okay, I'm just going to quick walk round. Here we got, I mean, obviously the gardens are kind of slightly limited, but you could make fantastic gardens and framing the views and what have you. So there's the view up to Periana, Zafraya Pass. Beautiful location this. Okay. And like I say, it's a solid build. You've got mains water, okay, and a septic tank which is registered. So here is a big, I think it's about 70 or 80 square meter covered terrace, which is L-shaped. Have two access off of a huge lounge with these really nice shaped windows installed by probably the best company that I know around here for double glazing installations. But yeah, beautiful covered terrace with the view. And it's quite special, this property. It's come down drastically in price from 595,000 euros, and we are now looking at 395,000 euros for this property. There is some finishing to be done. Okay, so obviously that was put in for a pool. Sadly the license has expired, so you could go above ground pool, fill that in and go jet spa or jet pool, but that is a beautiful view of the mountain. Say 100% privacy around here. Okay, and you've just got plenty of flat area around the house itself. Okay, and then that door comes off the kitchen. This is the kitchen on this corner here. Okay, just it needs a little bit of TLC. Okay, and like I say, there is obviously the option of connecting to mains electric, which is only 8,000 euros, which can be done. Okay, or you have the solar, and you can increase the solar panels with the generator backup, or it's up to you basically. Okay, but the current owners lived here full time for coming up to 12 years. Okay, so let's take a look inside. We got nice big covered porch area. This, okay, nice wooden doors throughout the whole property, all in that sort of style. And you walk into what is a big dining area. Okay, so you've got entrance hall dining with the big bolted ceilings throughout, nice shaped window there. Okay, plenty of good sizable furniture as well, which is negotiable. Okay, so we'll take a look at the kitchen from here. So the kitchen is separate, okay. Rustic style kitchen, you've got the range cooker in, gas, sink. There's your door, which has got the access onto that lovely covered terrace, okay. And essentially, yeah, nice. Some people prefer a separate kitchen rather than the current open plan fashion. Okay, and you could do a lot with this, okay. So from here, let's go to your dining and then into nice kind of open pathway into a big lounge. Okay, and this is really, really impressive. So you've got the vaulted ceilings there, okay, and you've got two patio doors with the nice arch, kind of non-standard UPVC doors, let's say, essentially, and that, again, both those doors lead out onto the covered terrace where you've got that fantastic view, outdoor dining area, and again, it could be planted up, it could be kind of presented, and just you've got a lot to go in here, a lot of windows, a lot of lights. There's the wood burner as a feature that will give off a lot of heat, okay, for those colder months. But yeah, really nice big space. Okay, and then that overlooks the covered terrace through there. Okay, so we will have a look now at the master bedroom, which is again very impressive. It's almost bigger than the lounge. So huge bed. Okay, that's not even a super king size. Yeah, it's just super duper size. You've almost got like a second lounge in here. Tilt and turn windows, again UPVC. And look, listen to this. That's the finish that we're talking about, whereby you've basically got plaster, then polystyrene, then concrete, polystyrene, then plaster again. Okay, so they're very well insulated and considered an eco build. So here's dressing area. Okay, nice big window. No one's going to see you because you don't have any neighbours directly. Okay, so big ensuite bath with overhead shower. Again, nice lovely door finish, nice tiles throughout, and then a separate cloakroom beyond there. Okay, so very, very nice, light and different. You know, this is different to your standard kind of Spanish build, let's say. I'd say it's considered a more durable, kind of long-lasting build. So here, it's currently used as an office. It would be like a twin room, I guess. But yeah, this is one of the kind of smaller bedrooms. Okay, and then we've got bedroom number 3. This has again got an ensuite, and it's all in good order. Again, fantastic views. Look at that. And you're only about, I'd say, between 7 to 9 minutes to either Alcacin village or Canillas de Aceituno. Okay, and like I say, you've got a degree of track, but essentially it's all stone, and then you're on to concrete roads, okay, which have all been done in recent years. Okay, so that's bedroom number 3, and then finally number 4. We've got the general shower room here, so stroke utility services, and then a huge walk-in shower in there. And then finally bedroom number 4. So we're talking 4 bed, 3 bath. It's going to be cheap to run this at the moment, given the size of the property. And it could be enhanced very kind of easily. Yes, there's going to have to be a degree of input financially, but then you're going to stamp your own kind of landscaping outside, and It's up to you whether you want the mains electric or not. Okay guys, so this is Cortijo Carcamo, and new listing for spring. We're coming up to spring 2023. If you want further details, then contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view our website at VillaSolutions.net. This won't be around for long.